Well, look at here. We have new wrap for the Tesla vehicle. So this in particular is for the Tesla Cybertruck. So this is your do-it-yourself paint protection film, and you can actually do this in your garage. If you've been following this channel, we wrapped many Tesla before, the Y3, X, with the exception of S. We haven't wrapped the S, but it's very easy. It takes about a weekend. So I would say about 5 hours each day. You can knock it out in one day, but it does require some waiting period to let the edges dry up so you can tuck it over as a signature wrap. So this is actually a hand show kit, and it comes in this nice clean box, about 15 pounds. It has all the supply you need. You do need to purchase a spray bottle. They do provide you with the spray nozzle, but the spray bottle is fairly cheap on Amazon. I'll post a link in the description as well, maybe $5. But this is the cheapest price for paint protection film we have ever seen. So paint protection film can cost between $5,000 to $8,000. Tesla charged $8,000 before tax. So it can come out to close to $8,900, depends on where you live, to wrap a Cybertruck. Model Y and 3, it is around $7,000, I believe, but they have limited color choices. So this is paint protection film, it's 8 millimeters, so similar to that of XPEL, Lumar, and the other big brands out there, but I'm sure they get the material from similar factory. So what comes with this kit is, again, 2 spray nozzle. You just need to purchase the bottle, and the bottle is about $5 on Amazon. And you have multiple squeegee bars on here. You have 2, a large one and a small one for the corners. So one is for basically tack solution, which is where you want things to stick down on the vehicle, and we'll post a link on how to install this from previous video. But this order was placed. It came in less than 2 weeks. I would say about a week and a half. I wasn't home, so it did get delivered within that 2 weeks period. So lots of color choices, and you have your microfiber cloth, hand show embedded here, and brought it in the actual microfiber. So we're gonna be using that to clean up any residue. So they gave 2, actually, that's pretty neat. You do have some painter's tape, this to hold down the actual film itself if you need to, but if you have 2 people, and you really don't need this, but I install paint protection film in the past, a whole model X, Y, 3 on several occasions. I never needed this, but it will help. I usually do it in the garage. Make sure you do it in an enclosed area and your car is fully clean. So they provide you with some gloves as well. And we will be changing the color of the Cybertruck, so this will be interesting. So guess down below what color we're gonna change it to. So right now we have it in a midnight blue. So we're gonna go a little lighter. So either a lot lighter or a brighter color. We have 3 choices, and I'll show you the first choice right now, actually. And then you guys comment below which one you would prefer. So right off the bat, there is a matte white, a per matte white. So that will be one of the color choices. This is actually more of a light blue, like a Tiffany blue. I'll open this in a second, but I want to show you a gray color that we also were considering. So let's take a look here. This is another shade that we are considering. So it is, oops. Let me see how they pull this. So this is also roll up, nice and neat, pre-cut. So these are pre-cut, so you don't have to really cut any of the film. So this is a Nardo gray type of color. I can't really, it looks lighter from the naked eye, but let me know what you guys think of this color, okay? Again, remember that. All right, so now let's go check out the other color. So this is a full PPF of the vehicle, okay? So we're gonna open this one up. So again, it comes in this support rollie here, so it protects the film. And we'll roll this over. The ground's clean. If you want to roll this out, you want to do this on like a clean table, or if you have a floor, make sure there's no debris or hair, because once it starts sticking to it, it's just a nightmare to try to remove it. But we'll get this out here. So it is protected by this saran wrap, which is great because sometimes when you purchase these type of PPF roll, it just comes like that in a box. So I've seen it like that before. So let's go ahead and take this off. So we'll take a look at this color and show you what this looks like. So you tell us which color you prefer, and we'll wrap it that color. So this is this blue. Let's check that blue out. Really like this blue, but you know how colors, you kind of get bored of it pretty quickly. That Nardo gray, I haven't seen it on the Cybertruck yet, but for some reason gray just looks good on the Cybertruck. But the blue also looks great. So this is actually the blue. They don't call this Tiffany blue. It's more like a sky ocean blue. Yeah, you tell us what you want the Cybertruck next color to be, and we'll wrap it that color, and then we'll switch it up around. So make sure you follow this channel. But yeah, excited to do this DIY, and we'll probably get somebody to help out with this. So this will be a new project. So make sure you follow this channel and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and we'll get this wrapped onto the Cybertruck soon. It comes with everything you need. Again, microfiber cloth. You have your spray bottle, squeegee, and you just need a couple of bottles. I'll post a link in the description of this video how to install this. Again, the pre-cuts, very easy to install, and on the Cybertruck it's gonna be a lot easier to do because all the panels are pretty much flat. Thanks for watching. Catch you all next time. Remember to subscribe. We'll do a follow-up and a revealing video of the new color change on the Cybertruck soon. Thanks for watching.